This video is initiated by Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Hello children, my name is Nafeesa Shaikh. Our subject is general knowledge. Topic: learn about nature. Standard Junior KG. So my dear children, nature is the physical world and everything in it that is not made by people. Yes, and few of them are a rainbow, stars, moon, jungle. Let's start with the rainbow first. Children, do you know when a rainbow appears? It appears when the sun shines through the rain. And a rainbow has 7 colors in it. They are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Children, let us learn about the jungle. The jungle is a place where wild animals live. The jungle is also made of strong and long trees, and it has short plants too. It has lakes in it. Children, next is star. The star can be seen in the night. Do you know there are billions of stars in the galaxy? Yes, children. Next is moon. Moon is a natural satellite of the earth. The moon has different phases. Yes, children, and during each phase it changes its shape. The moon orbits the earth every 28 days. Isn't that wonderful, children? Now let us start with our question and answers. First question: how many colors does a rainbow have? The rainbow consists of 7 colors. They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. I repeat, the rainbow consists of 7 colors. They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Next question is, when can one see the stars? One can see the stars at night. I repeat, when can one see the stars? One can see the stars at night. Our next question is, where do wild animals live? Wild animals usually live in the jungle. I repeat, where do the wild animals live? The wild animals usually live in the jungle. Right, children? Our next question is, name the natural satellite of the earth. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Name the natural satellite of the earth. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. So, my dear children, all we need to do is keep practicing at home. Thank you.